This is Koda. She's a 10 years old lady and totally workaholic. Hi guys, thanks for coming back. Like I mentioned last video, today I'm going to show you one of my daily routine while I'm house sitting. This afternoon, Mark decided to join us for the work. Honestly, she loves her work more than anything else. At the moment, she's not looking her best though. Mark gave her a bit of a haircut after she got grease on her while he was doing some caravan maintenance. Poor Koda. I can imagine how embarrassed she feels. Hopefully it grows out quickly. It's a weekday, so streets are totally empty. Everyone's off at work or school. Koda is great both on and off leash.
Look ahead, look astern, look the weather in the lee. Blow high, blow low, and so sail we. I see a wreck to windward and a lofty ship to thee.
Sometimes she lags behind about 50 meters or so. Then I have to call out, hurry up, Koda, come on.
Lucy, come on.
You good, isn't it? With other ducks or?
Oh, he's a bit silly sometimes. Yeah. Depending on what the dog does, but yeah, I don't trust him.
Okay.
Oh, yucky. Today she decides to drink the murky tea on the way. Meanwhile, Mark takes his time with a bit of training along the way.
Blow high, blow low, and so sail we. For we have got some letters to be carried home by you. A sailing down along the coast of High Barbary.
On the way back, we collected the empty recycle bins and brought them down to the house. Then it's party time for Koda. I crunched up 2 stripes of Schmackos for afternoon treat. Nom 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 nom. Happy dog, happy day. And me, I finished things off with a strong plank. See you guys in the next episode.